the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Dominic's going to show you how to make Osso Bucco. These are veal shanks in an excellent sauce, and we're serving it with some cavadelli, one of our favorite pastas.
Great dish.
Hey, and also, you know, a lot of folks ask us, you know, how did we end up in Texas? And I tell you what, we always respond, it's a long story.
We're on the run.
Hi. But anyway, during this video, we're gonna, talk about, our background and how we end up out here. Eventually, I mean, it's kind of long, and we don't want to bore anyone. So we're gonna every video we're gonna kind of.
I want to eat.
Yeah, every video we're gonna kind of tell you a little bit about our story. Anyway, all right, let's get cooking.
All right. Today we're gonna do some Osso Buco. Today we have some beautiful veal shanks here. Oh man, they're beautiful.
They look real nice.
Oh man, bone marrow.
Oh yeah.
Inside, very good for you.
Definitely.
Very good for you. Well, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this dish, and we'll be right back. All right, we're gonna tie up. We're gonna tie this up a little bit.
This way it doesn't separate.
This way it doesn't separate, and the meat doesn't just fall off the bone and turn into just shredded veal pieces. And that's it.
One string.
You cut off the excess. Make another knot in there. I can't see. I need my glasses. Jesus, man. I'm blind as hell. And that's it.
Nice.
Now we're going to do that to the rest of them. We're going to fry them up. That's it.
All right.
And into the hot olive oil.
Okay.
You want to cook them about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. And that's it. We're going to put a little salt in. This looks like kosher salt here.
That's what it is. Kosher salt.
Salt and pepper. This is going to be so good, man. You want to do both sides. I mean, my favorite part is the bone.
Yeah.
Like a dog. The bone marrow.
Yeah. Spread that on a nice piece of bread. Just be generous with that salt and pepper. Thick cuts here.
Well, we're gonna have to season the sauce too that we make. So
yeah,
salt and pepper and garlic and onions, celery,
very nice.
chicken stock and white wine, carrots. Yum yum.
All right.
All
Wait for this pan to get hot, and we'll start searing the meat.
All right, we're gonna put some olive oil in the pan to fry our
Shanks. Now you can use
veal
pork
shank.
also. Pork shanks, right?
Lamb.
Lamb also for this dish,
Yeah.
this recipe.
The lamb shanks are really good. I used to do lamb shanks at some restaurant that I worked at, Chaplin's,
Out in Dallas.
which was Jack's old place. He had sold it, and I was working for the new owner.
A long time ago.
Yeah, man. Over 30 years ago.
Yeah.
All right. We got our veal shank
Ready to go.
ready to go. We have it salt and peppered, and now we're gonna. Hey, Mom. How you feeling? Want to see this beautiful veal shank we got? Whoa, baby.
Don't that look good? Look at that. Oh, man.
You want to fry these on each side for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. I'm just going to put 4 in there for now.
Yeah, that's a lot of veal. Nice.
All right, we're going to take these out, put them in here for now.
Nice. There we go.
Just cut up our onions and celery. You want to cut the carrots in very small pieces.
All right, we're gonna start telling you the story on how Chef Dom and I ended up here in Texas.
Don't tell them how I really ended up here. I was a good boy in Brooklyn.
Yeah. You know, just before we begin the story, the neighborhood that we came from in Waynesburg, Brooklyn, you know, during the 70s, you know, we lived in an area where the mob was very recognized. As a matter of fact, if you guys watched that movie, Donnie Brasco, now we weren't involved with those characters, but you know, we knew of them because you know, they were in the neighborhood.
It was my best friend Joey's father who owned the bar, the Motion Lounge.
As a matter of fact,
his name was Charlie.
Yeah, yeah,
AKA Charlie Yaya.
Yeah, you know, the mob hung out in the bar. They featured this bar in the movie Donnie Brasco. They called it the Lounge, but it was actually called the Motion Lounge at the time. And you know, that's where these guys all hung out. You know,
Originally in the movie they show you the lion at the airport, but it wasn't so. They gave Lefty that lion inside the Motion Lounge.
yeah, inside the bar. Right?
I was best friend because I was always in there. My friend and Joey and I used to go buy their lunches and
Yeah, they used to wash their cars.
clean their cars. Yeah.
Yeah, they used to run a little brown paper bag all over town. They never looked in it. They were pretty strict on these guys not looking in the bag, but they did get paid for doing this.
And we got to eat lunch, Frost Street Restaurant, man.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you know, if you haven't seen that movie, Donnie Brasco, I really encourage you guys to see it. I mean, it's got Al Pacino, Johnny Depp, and of course the late Anne Heche. Is that how you pronounce her last name?
Anne Heche.
Heche, yes. We know she died this week, but yeah,
Yesterday.
it's a great movie. Anyway, that's where we came from, and we're gonna go ahead and finish up this recipe, and we'll continue a little bit of the story during the next video. All right, now we got a little celery action going here.
And chop up some celery, nice and small too. This is gonna be so good, man.
Yeah, looking forward to it. All you do is smash it, you don't chop it, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna smash it. No, I'm not gonna chop it.
Yeah.
All right. A piece of onion in there. All right.
Okay. That's really nice.
Woo, that's hot. That stays hot, I'll tell you that. Okay, we're gonna fry our onions and garlic and celery. We're making some extra sauce with this today because we're having some fresh cavadellis with this on the side. Oh yeah. The last time I had this dish in New York at the 4th Street restaurant, they served it with cavadelli, but the dry imported from Italy. Well, not the fresh. Made with ricotta and stuff. I want to let this fry just for about 3 or 4 minutes. That's it. I'm gonna need some butter. You got some butter? I'm gonna put a little butter in there too.
I love butter.
We're going to season our vegetables up a little bit with some salt and pepper also. Also, too, we have fresh rosemary, some parsley. We're going to put some peppercorns in there and some bay leaves.
Nice.
Okay. We let these fry for about 3 or 4 minutes. Now we're going to put a cup of white wine in there, let it reduce down. Use dry wine if you can.
Oh, it's smelling good already.
All Go ahead and add our tomatoes in there.
What kind of tomato you got there?
We got Cento tomatoes all in one. It's rind-ripe tomatoes and puree, not from concentrate tomatoes.
Nice.
Pretty good tomato for this dish. Nice and chunky and thick.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying our recipes, hit that notification button on your phone there or your computer. So this way, each time we have a new video coming out, you'll be notified and you won't miss out. Nice.
Okay. So.
All right, Dominic's going to transfer some of this sauce into another pot because looks like we're going to run out of space here with all this veal.
Yeah, this is a lot of veal. All right, we're going to add some chicken stock here. Looks like this is about a 2 cup.
What are you doing measuring? You don't usually measure.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing it for our guests. All right, now you want to let this come to a boil. I'll put a little more in here because there's a lot more in here. Like I said, we got pasta too, so.
Yeah, we need a lot of sauce. That pasta takes up a lot of sauce, though, man. The gabardines.
Yeah, but we're not baking them.
No, I'm not baking them today. They're great bake, too.
We're gonna have to season this with some salt and pepper also. Just salt and pepper to taste because you already salted the meat and
Veggies.
the veggies.
Nice. Meanwhile, we're preheating our oven to 350 degrees.
As soon as it comes to a boil, we're gonna pour the sauce into the Dutch oven and then put it in the oven at 350 for 2 hours.
Oh,
And then it's yum yum
gonna
time.
be tender. The sauce is ready. How long did we let that cook for? About?
Just until it starts to boil, maybe like 5 minutes.
Okay.
You know? We turn it off and put this on this side so you can see. And we're gonna go ahead and oh man.
Nice.
This is gonna be amazing.
Yes, it is.
Well, we got 6 in this one.
Yeah.
We got plenty of room. I just wanted to make extra sauce for.
Yeah. We made extra sauce for the pasta, basically.
We have to have our pasta today, Sunday.
Yes,
Don't
definitely.
screw it around, man.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect.
That's the perfect amount is right. Just make sure the sauce gets under there. And now we're gonna let this cook at 350. The oven is preheated already. But first we're gonna put a sprig of rosemary in there. A couple of bay leaves. That's it, 2 is good.
Yeah. Tear it
Break
up.
that up and throw some of that in there. And some peppercorns. About a tablespoon. Maybe a little more. I like pepper.
If you like pepper, add it to it.
And that's it. Now it's ready for the oven.
All right.
You're ready for the oven. Check it out.
Looks good already.
350, 2 hours. I keep saying that because a lot of times I forget to see the temperature and the time, and people always comment on it. So,
Yeah.
for about an hour and 10 minutes, we're just gonna check it real fast, see what it's doing.
Heavy. Oh man, that looks fabulous. Look at that.
That looks good.
It smells amazing.
Oh my God! Yeah, you smell that?
Oh yeah, I smell it. Wow, look at that. Oh man, that's gonna come right off the bone. Man, what a smell.
We're gonna throw it back in there, let it go for another.
About
Let it go
50
for about another-
minutes.
Almost another hour. We'll check it out.
Nice. All right, it's been 2 hours. Let's pull this out and start eating. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, the Osso Buca
Osso Buco.
is ready. Dominic's going to go ahead and cook the gabardines. He already went ahead and salted the water. Sometimes folks don't see us do it and they ask about it. But yeah, the water's all salted. We're gonna cook those cavadelli up and we're gonna plate this dish. Oh, it's beautiful. All right.
We are ready to eat. Well, you know I'm going after this one, right? The biggest one in the pot? Oh yeah.
I'll go after the second biggest one.
Oh, look at that bone marrow.
Oh my God.
Beautiful bone marrow.
Oh man.
Absolutely. Oh my God, that's
Real.
good. That's the real. That's the real deal. Yum yum.
Get some of these cavadelli. Oh man, this looks great. Smells phenomenal.
It's unbelievable.
Yes, it is. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and scoop out some of this bone marrow here. Oh, look at that. Oh. Just put some of that on a piece of bread right there. Wow. Try that marrow. Oh,
Yeah, I did it right.
oh, I taste the
Little
Veal.
Romano.
Oh my God, it's like butter.
You don't need a knife.
No, you don't. Honestly.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
Perfect.
You're heaven. Anyway, hey folks, thanks for watching. You know, we appreciate the subscribers. Like I said, we're gonna tell a little bit about our story every week, and you'll find it kind of interesting. Anyway, hit that notification button so this way you'll know when we have a new video coming out. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you guys next time.
See you next week. Bye.